is time to see what this van's 0 to 60 is. Tires spin all the way to 80. Alrighty then, with about like 20 feet of tire squeal, this baby will go from 0 to 101 kilometers an hour. I was a bit late with the button. In 11 seconds flat. 11 seconds. Although I can't help but think, like, that was a lot of tire squeal. So if there was less salt in the road and my tires weren't wet, I'm wondering how much time would I have saved? Because, yeah, I was doing 80 kilometers an hour and the wheels were still spinning. So a 0 to 80 kilometers an hour time is fucking quick. And it was really slow that last, like, 20-25K. But still, 11 seconds, it's a 3900 series, 3.9 liter GMV6. It's 240 horsepower, 240 pounds of torque. Traction control and ABS is busted. It's now squealing a bit. I think it's over 3,000 kilograms. It's probably a 6,000 pound van. All in all, though, that was fun. So much tire squeal. Alright, so here we have the latest addition to the Cadillac Kid Productions company. It is a 2007 Chevy Uplander, making it the latest model vehicle I've ever owned. It isn't technically the newest, however, because when I had a 2005 Impala, it was 2010, I think, which would have made it only 5 years old, versus this is now 10 years old. It's got fairly good Toyo tires on it. It's a 3900 series V6, 3.9 liter. Lots of cargo space, although it's missing the back seats. That door likes to give me trouble. Captain's chairs, 4-speed automatic, working parking brake, 2 automatic windows, heat, air conditioning, CD player, that's about it. Today I'm going to be hooking up the CB, the megaphone, a dash camera. I got a brand new one, courtesy of a subscriber actually. Yeah, so today I'm just setting this bad girl up. Her name's Bonnie because my last landlord was a fucking cow and her name was Bonnie. I mean, what is this thing if not a giant cow? Also today, the parking brake line has been dangling down because all of the clips have rusted out, so I'm going to show you how to fix that. But yeah, let's get at her. Pitter patter.